In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a featured channel to your YouTube channel. This is really easy, it can be done in under 60 seconds, so if it helps you out, please do leave a like and also comment down below. So what you need to do is get to your channel by clicking on your YouTube icon, then going onto your channel and it should bring you to your channel. Once you're here, go to Customize Channel, and it will then take you to the old YouTube version. When you're on the old YouTube, you can come down to the Featured Channels tab here, click Add Channels, and you can now add any channel. Now I don't know why I've got Gary V in there, so I'm going to remove him by clicking on the X. You can then change the title of the Featured Channels section here, or you can enter a channel username or URL. So I'm going to enter in my channel, which is KnowledgeBase, so I'm going to copy in the URL. To find the URL, you just want to go to the channel you want to add. So in my case, I'm adding KnowledgeBase, and it's just the channel / and then this unique ID here. So copy all of the link and then paste it in. Then we can click on add. It should find that channel, it should add it here, and then we can click done. And there we go, we've now added that channel to our YouTube channel. If we now go back onto the new YouTube, we should see it there. And here it is.